create a weird humanoid, okay? Doesn't freaking work, no! What is going on? What is happening? Oh, this is so difficult.
Hi, how are you?
That's wonderful. Son of a... Why? I'm about to just stop the stream.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification so we get notified when I'm on.
Ooh, okay. We got ourselves a head. Cheeks. Scale them inside like this. Those are your eyes. Drop this down. No, Thomas, stop. Stop. Remember, we're going for that low fidelity look. All right, we've got a head. I was gonna go ahead and cut off these. Anybody else listening to, what in the world? Grab a knife here and just right along his crotch. Just gonna do a nice little slice. Let's bring his legs like this. Oh, he's gonna be skinny. Skinny always scares me. There's nothing scarier than a scrawny old naked man. Hey, buddy. You're really thin. We'll scale him up. Some of you are thinking in the chat, man, Thomas, this is gonna look so bad. You're just not very good at this. Okay, so something like this. Very good. Okay, yeah, let's put Henry right here. Why are you so dark, my friend? Oh, Thomas. There we go. That was the wrong one. I mean, come on, guys. It's already pretty terrifying. Especially that booty. I'll fix his butt. One sec, guys. I thought the bigger the better, you know?
He's crazy.
Give him 3 arms, 1 coming out of his mouth. Okay, so we're gonna take this and just... Oh my word. We'll save this out. Let's take a look at our little friend. What was his name, Charlie? Or Richard? It was Richard. Yeah, let's put Henry right here. All right, let's do his hands now. Because it's a retro game, we're only gonna have 3 fingers. And we're gonna do terrible topology. Or, don't spill your coffee, Thomas. Mesh. We're gonna make the tips of these fingers really red. I kind of like that his belly's sticking out like that. It makes it scarier for me. We're about to enter into a very evil realm of rigging a demon. I hate rigging because I haven't done this in a long time, okay? So bear with me and I'm gonna need your help. Be ready to help.
Can you help us?
All right, let's give him a butt crack. Okay, let's take a look at his big boy booty. What do you think, guys? And we'll give him a diaper, don't worry. Yava says, will the course include booty enhancing techniques? That's a good idea. I think I'll do a whole section, maybe 3-4 hours of me just talking about how to enhance that low poly booty. I think that's good. Oh, we need to mirror him. So you go like that, and then you right click and you go mirror, X. What? Why is it not working? Let's double check everything. Knee, hip, pelvis, middle spine. So we're gonna select all, we're gonna go to symmetrize. Hey, there we go. Where did he go? He's gone. What? Oh, he's buried. There he is. He's asserting dominance by T-posing on the table. He is teeny tiny, you're right. What do you guys think about that? Is that the right size? You think he's too small still? I mean, that butt crack is like 6 feet wide. So it looks pretty good. He's rigged up, so we just need to paint him now. Why aren't you marking? Edge mark scene. Wait, what? I think it's just because it's so D. Is this just the most flattering of views? Don't you love this? How many of you are like covering your screen because you're afraid your parents are gonna walk in? This guy with a candle marking seams around a butt crack.
Charlie.
No, it's
Henry.
no.
Richard, you look great.
Yeah, let's put Henry right here. There's a few things though that are like garbage. What's going on here? That's the real question. What is going on there? That's a mess. I think we're good, guys. And then I'm gonna unwrap it again and see what happens. Did I fix it? I didn't fix it. Mother effer. Still right there. What is that? I know that the topology sucks. That's gonna be a t-shirt soon. I'm cool with him being bald. That, no offense to anyone who's bald, that scares me. Looks like my neighbor Jeff. I mean, honestly, this is a great way to make something look creepy. And it's just what Half-Life does, so. See? I mean, what? I mean, that face. It's like duck face, but horrifying. Isn't this kind of what Last Airbender looks like? Let's go ahead and get the animation set up. Look at it. Look at him. He's confused. Look, he's totally fine. The moment I interact with him, his head is working, and then it just pops. Look at that. It just pops. The only thing I'm trying to do here is I just want him to look at the player even when he's not facing the player. I want his head to follow the player. That should work. Let's hit play. It doesn't freaking work. No. Look at that. What the heck? Now he's like completely confused. What is happening? Oh, this is so difficult. I couldn't tell you what's going on. I have no idea. Hello? Look at his head. Look at him, he's spazzing. What is happening? Okay, we're gonna go back in time here. There is an issue with something going on here.
What a twist!
What?
Hi, how are you?
That's wonderful. Whoa. What is your deal, bro? What are you looking at? All right. Nope. Son of a... Okay, I'm getting frustrated now. I like it. I like being frustrated. I feel great. I'm really enjoying myself. I could literally go, why is this so hard for me? If I can't, then I'm just a moron, officially. I feel like I need to go take a nap. I'm gonna definitely end this stream and go cry. Come on, please, God. Lord God, please, if you're there, fix it. So stupid. Why is this guy selling online training? Who is this moron? Come on, buddy. You got this. You'll be able... No! No! Why? This is so dumb. Float X, float Y, and float Z. So like that? Is that what you mean? Okay, so we got a problem. It's not working at all. Look at him. He's shaking like crazy. He's pissed. I'm about to just stop the stream. Hey, buddy. Okay. Just...
You have to clamp the Y-axis individually.
Nathan, you might be right. Let's take a look. Did this work? Nathan, if you get... Dude. If you give me this... If this works, Nathan's gonna get... I'll tell you if it works. There is a God. Nathan and Psycho, you guys both just won a free online course, valued at $600. So now we have a horde of enemies. All right, so let's go ahead and get the Ragdoll set up. Hey, buddy. What happens if I shoot him? Good, it works. So we might, let's take a look at the body. Where did you go, body? Oh, there we go. Good. Feels a lot like Half-Life. Let's see the shotgun. That's great. Come on, buddy. Have a hug. So lots of weird things happening. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm gonna pretend that didn't happen. What is, whoa. What? That was horrifying. There's like a freaking, something's in the way, causing a lot of problems. What is that? Is it that? Whoa. The enemy is on that. He's still alive. What? Enemy has attached himself like Voldemort to this brain. What? Whoa, hold on, I gotta figure this out. So we'll definitely need to work. Look at that, he's on the swing. See, this is why you do Ragdoll. I love this. Whoa, what the heck? He got sliced in half. The swing is slicing them in half. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? I need to go check on that guy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where is he going? I like it. You know, it's one of those things where I'm like, that's what makes the game fun. I wanted to let you know that you could get a free 2D game kit below. Click
into your email, and I will, through the World Wide Web, send you free 2D game kit. I used this game kit to make a game for the World Wide Web's greatest star, PewDiePie. Totally free. You can use it however you want. Commercial, personal, whichever you choose. What?